Yeah, welcome students. In this class we are going to discuss about Milin's corrector formula. Milin's corrector formula is yn plus 1 corrector formula equals yn minus 1 plus h by 3 into yn minus 1 dash minus 4 times y1 dash plus yn minus 1 dash. This is called Milin's corrector formula. Yn plus 1 corrector formula equals yn minus 1 plus h by 3 into yn minus 1 dash plus 4 times yn dash plus yn minus 1 dash. Okay, so what I am doing there in this Milin's corrector formula, I put n equals 3. So if I put n is equal to 3, what I am getting is that now look at that here, y3 plus 1 y4 comma c equals y3 minus 1 y2 plus h divided by 3y here n3, so 3 minus 1 2 dash plus 4 y3 dash plus y n plus 1 4 make it dash. So new equation will get, that is when n equals 3 I will get yn c equals y2 like that we'll get. Okay, so that is what we are getting. So when n equals 3 I will get 4 corrector formula equals y2 plus h by 3 y2 dash plus 4 y you must understand that very clearly that this is not 1 as we have. Now let us have y2 dash plus 4 times y 3 we are putting dash plus y n plus 1 is 4 and close the bracket. And this is what when n equals 3 we will get this particular equation. So whenever the 4 derivatives are given, we have to make such that here n becomes 4. Suppose 5 variables are given, I mean 5 derivatives are given, then we have to put n equals 4. Suppose 2 derivatives are given here, according to that we have to substitute here. Okay, we have to put n equals 1, so we will get y2 like that. Now let us take one problem to solve that. I take this problem. The problem is that a first derivative is given to us, that is dy by dx equals x square into 1 plus y is given to us. Okay, right, and also some initial conditions are given. Okay, these are the initial conditions given to us. What's the meaning of this? When x naught equals 1, y naught equals 1. When x1 equals 1.1, y1 equals 1.2333. When x2 equals 1.2, y2 equals 1.548. When x3 equals 1.33, y3 equals 1.99979. Now what is the question? The question is that we have to find the value of y when x equals 1.4. That is our question here. Okay, so when x equals 1.4, what is y? That is our question. So Milin's corrector formula when n equals 3 will give you this equation, and you find all these components y2 h y2 dash 4 into y3 dash plus y4 dash, find out all these things, then substitute in this equation, then you will get the answer. So let us find the answer for that. Now solution starts. Now what I told just before, when x naught equals 1, y naught equals 1. When x1 equals 1.1, y1 equals 1.2333. When x3 equals 1.2, x2 equals 1.2, y2 equals 1.548. When x3 equals 1.3, y3 equals 1.979. That's what we are having here. When x naught equals 1, y naught equals 1. X naught equals 1, y naught equals 1. When x1 equals 1, y1 equals 1. When x equals 1.1, y equals 1. That's what next point. Sorry, here 1.1 should come there. Okay, 1.1. Then y1 value is 1.233. When x3 equals 1.3, y3 equals 1.979, 0.54. Sorry, I am repeating that. X3, when x3 equals 1.3, y3 equals 1.979, 1.979 or 999, like that. Now what are given to us here is that the differential equation is given to us. Dy by dx equals x square 1 plus y. Am I correct? So that's what given to us. Y dash equals x square 1 plus y. Now which implies y1 dash equals, so replace x by x1 square and then replace y by y1. Then we are substituting the corresponding value here. X1 equals 1.1 and y1 equals 1.233. You substitute that. Okay, so what we'll get here, x1 is 1.1 the whole square into 1 plus the y value is what here, y1 value 1.233. So 1.233. Now the final solution for this would be 2.70193. Now coming to y2 dash would be equal to, replace that x by x2 square, replace this y by y2. What you'll get is that x2 whole square into 1 plus y2. Now again you substitute the corresponding value. X2 is equal to 1.2, y2 equals 1.548. You substitute these two values here. Okay, so substitute, what we'll get, x2 square is 1.2 the whole square, 1 plus, what is y2 value, 1.548, 1.548. Now if you simplify, the final answer would be 3.6691. Now similarly, what is y3 dash? So we have to replace this x by x3 and y by y3. So you will get the next step as x3 whole square into 1 plus y3. Now what is x3 value, 1.3, y3 value 1.999. You substitute here. Okay, so you will get x3 value 1.3 whole square into 1 plus 1.999. If you add, you will get the answer as 5.03451. Now coming to the last term, y4 dash equals what? Here y dash equals x square 1 plus y. Therefore y4 dash equals s4 square into 1 plus y4. That's what we will get there. So directly I am putting the value of x4 is, for what we have to find out, 1.4. that I am substituting there. Then 1 plus the value of 2.571. That's what y4 value. That's what we have to find out. y3 value, x4 is 2.5. Where does this comes from? 0.4. Okay, so now if you substitute this and simplify, the answer you'll be getting is 7.00470. So substitute these values in equation number 1. What you will get in this equation number, we have to substitute y2 value. Where is y2? y2 value is given here, 1.548. so y4 commas equals 1.548. then here plus h by 3. H is what? 0.1 divided by 3 inside the bracket. y2 dash is 3.6691. that is 3.669. then plus 4 times y3 dash here 5.03741 5.3451 plus y4 dash is how much? Plus 7.00470. okay, so if you multiply this and simplify, final answer you will be getting is this one, 2.57506. so this is the value, 2.57506 when x value is 1.4. when x value is 1.4, y value is 2.57506. okay, so this is a way we can solve the Milin corrector formula. I repeat again, you have to remember Milin corrector formula, that is this. When n equals 3, you will get this equation, and then for the problem, from the given values it is possible to get all these things. From this it is possible to get all these things what are required here, all those things. Substitute all these values in this equation number 1 and we will get the corresponding answer.